Welcome to the Windows 10 Shortcut Keys video. Windows 10 is full of handy shortcut keys that can save you time and boost your productivity. Let's start with a classic. Press Windows key plus D to instantly show or hide your desktop. Need to access your files quickly? Use Windows key plus E to open File Explorer in a snap. In Windows 10, File Explorer is a built-in file management application that allows users to browse and manage files and folders on their computers. File Explorer also provides quick access to common locations like documents, downloads, desktops, and more. It is an essential tool for organizing and accessing files and folders on a Windows 10 operating system. It provides a graphical user interface, GUI, to navigate the file system, view files, copy, move, rename, and delete them. To open the Run dialog box swiftly, hit Windows key plus R. The Run dialog box is a quick and convenient way to execute commands, launch applications, access system utilities, and open files or folders directly. The Run dialog box supports a wide range of commands. For example, to open the command prompt, type CMD and press Enter. To open the Task Manager, type Task MGR and press Enter. To open the Control Panel, type Control and press Enter. To open a specific application, type its name, example, Notepad, MS Paint, Calc, and press Enter. For quick access to settings, simply press Windows key plus I. The Settings app serves as a centralized hub for customizing various aspects of your Windows 10 computer. It provides a user-friendly interface to manage system settings, personalize the desktop, configure devices, set up accounts, access network settings, and more. It offers a more modern and intuitive approach compared to the traditional control panel, making it easier for users to navigate and customize their Windows 10 experience. Press Windows key plus L and keep your computer secure by locking it. In Windows 10, locking refers to the action of securing your computer without logging out or shutting it down. When you lock your computer, the screen will be locked, and you'll need to enter your password or use another sign-in method, like PIN or biometric authentication, to unlock and regain access to your desktop. Managing multiple virtual desktops? Windows key plus Tab will bring up Task View for easy switching. A virtual desktop is a way to expand your desktop workspace without physically adding extra monitors. It lets you create multiple virtual screens where you can group different open applications and tasks, making it easier to organize and switch between them. Each virtual desktop operates independently, so you can have one desktop for work-related tasks, another for entertainment, and so on. Using virtual desktops can improve your productivity by reducing clutter and providing a more organized workflow. It's especially handy when you work on multiple projects or need to separate tasks for better focus and efficiency. Capture moments with Windows key plus Print Screen. Or with Windows key plus Function key plus Print Screen. Your screenshots will be saved in the Screenshots folder. In Windows 10, a screenshot is a captured image of what is currently displayed on your computer screen. Taking screenshots can be useful for various purposes, such as saving information, sharing content, troubleshooting issues, or creating tutorials. Need to check what's consuming your resources? Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open Task Manager directly. In Windows 10, Task Manager is a built-in system utility that allows users to monitor and manage the processes, performance, and applications running on their computer. It provides valuable information about the system's resource usage and helps users identify and troubleshoot issues related to the operating system and applications. Task Manager is an essential tool for managing your computer's performance, monitoring resource usage, and troubleshooting issues. Easily switch between open applications with Alt+Tab. When you press Alt+Tab, a small window called the Task Switcher or App Switcher appears on the screen. It displays thumbnail previews of all open applications, arranged in a horizontal row. And when you're ready to close a window, use Alt+F4 for a quick exit. Pressing Alt+F4 when the desktop or the Start menu is in focus typically opens the Shutdown Windows dialog, allowing you to shut down, restart, or put your computer to sleep. This behavior is part of the default settings in Windows. Alt+F4 works on the currently active window, which means the window that has the keyboard focus. If you have multiple windows open, make sure to click on the window you want to close to ensure it has the keyboard focus. That's a wrap on our Windows 10 shortcut keys. These time-saving shortcuts can make your Windows 10 experience more efficient and enjoyable.